Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good and safe at your homes. So TechInfoRay is back with another technical video to share knowledge of AWS Cloud concepts. And I have created this YouTube channel to share knowledge with cloud students and aspirants. And I have also created blogs at www.techinforay.com. And you can go through those blogs as well to enhance your technical knowledge related to AWS Cloud concepts. And in addition to that, we have also launched AWS Cloud course, and where we are covering the basic general cloud concepts and concepts of underlying technologies like network, server, storage, database, and security, and also covering the challenges in traditional data center, and then slowly moving towards advanced cloud concepts so that concepts can be digested easily. And in case you have a requirement or interested in training, you can contact us and we will help you with that and help you to create complete learning roadmap to achieve industry level cloud knowledge. So this is our YouTube channel called TechInfoRay, and where we are trying to make learning cloud technology easy, and so that you can grasp the content concepts. So as a part of this practical demonstration videos, I am creating videos for network, compute, storage, and database so that you can get complete knowledge about AWS services that are there in different domains. And you can watch these videos and perform your own practical demonstrations, and you can follow these steps and create your own environment as well. So I hope this helps you to enhance your AWS cloud knowledge, and slowly you can move towards advanced concepts. And I'll keep on adding more videos in this YouTube channel. So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep on getting latest videos for the AWS cloud concepts. So in my previous videos, I have created several videos for different domains. Like in network layer components, I have created how to create virtual data center on AWS Cloud or VPC, and creating network components like routing, subnets, internet gateway, elastic IP, NAT gateways, and establishing communication between different VPCs over the cloud, and using VPC peering connection and AWS Transit Gateway. These are really advanced concepts, and you can try these. Also, I have created videos for establishing IPsec secure VPN connection from AWS Cloud to on-premise data center. So I have created videos using VPN gateway and transit gateway. So this is also really interesting concept, and you can try this, and that'll really help you to enhance your networking knowledge. And as a part of AWS compute layer components, I have created videos for launching Windows and Linux instances, and then adding load balancer in front of the instances so that to distribute the load. And another beautiful concept of auto scaling group, where you can learn automation in the cloud and automatically scale in and scale out policies. So that will help you to achieve automatic scalability in the instances. So that is also really interesting. You can try that and watch the videos and create your own practical. Okay, and as a part of storage layer components, in my previous video, I have provided introduction to S3 bucket and its features. And also we see how we can create S3 bucket, and then uploading some objects to it from AWS console, and then accessing it over the internet using internet from Windows instance using WinSCP. And also we tried to access the S3 bucket from Linux instance using AWS CLI mode. So that was part of my previous video. So in this video, as a part of this practical video, we will cover storage services, but in this we will create a static website that we are going to host it over Amazon S3 service. So we will log into AWS console and then go to storage services, and we will create one S3 bucket, and then we will upload our content that is for the static website, and enable public access to those objects in the bucket, and we will update the content for S3 static website, and then we will access that website over the internet. So it's a sort of like publishing a website over S3 bucket, and another way of publishing website. And also, you might have seen that in my previous videos, we have created web server over Linux instance and Windows instance, and then published our web page over the instances. So this is another way of publishing your website over S3 bucket. So as per the if we talk about solution designing perspective, as per the customer requirements, so this can be also a use case where you can suggest customer to host website over S3 bucket. So let's go to AWS console and see how we can publish a website over S3 bucket. So this is our web S3 console for AWS, and this is a global service. So let's create a new bucket for S3. Z my demo static website bucket. So we are going to create it again in Mumbai, and we will allow public access over it because we are going to publish the objects over the internet. And I acknowledge that current settings might result in this bucket and objects becoming public, and we are aware about this. That's okay. So let's add tag. So this site is for network. So let's create that tagging, create a bucket. So our S3 bucket for static website has been created. So let's move to it and upload the objects for this. So let's upload the objects. Click on upload, then add files. So here we will add files. Cancel. No, we are not uploading. Go to S3 demo website, and we have to go to properties. First, let's enable S3 static website hosting. So here, if we go into our properties of our website, sorry, S3 bucket that is created for a website, let's go to static website hosting and click on edit. And we are going to enable static website hosting. So we are going to host a static website, and index document, index.html, error document.html, the files that we are going to upload and save changes. So this has been enabled, and a DNS name has been created for it. So if we try to access this one, so let's try that. Control P, enter. So as of now, we haven't uploaded anything. So let's upload some. So we are getting forbidden error, so access denied. So let's upload some our documents to this bucket, and then we will see our website. So let's upload our files, add files, and let's web page. Let's rename this index.html, index.html, and this is our error HTML. Save, upload index, open, then add error file, open, and upload. So this is uploading the files to our static S3 bucket for which we are doing it. So let's Also, we need to publish these objects, close, and select these objects, go to actions and make them public. Make public, close. So our content is ready. So mostly what we do is we have created this file for demonstration only. So mostly we ask our application guys to provide the code for website, and then you can upload it on the S3 bucket as well. So that's another way. And if we go to our site, so let's refresh it. Yeah, so that was the demo page that we uploaded it. And if we, so our website is up and running from our S3 bucket. So static website served from Amazon S3 as a part of static website demo. So if we want to edit the contents, so let's go to the folder and edit our index file, open it with Notepad, and we can edit it. Served from S3 static website demo, the updated content. So let's save this, Control S, save, go back to our site, and we can remove this, delete, permanently delete, permanently delete, delete the object, close, and let's upload our updated file, add file, index, open, upload file. Close. Let's make this index file that's way that we uploaded just now, and let's make it public. Make public. Okay. Close. Okay. So let's see. Let's go back to our website and see whether it is updated. Yes. So the content is updated now over the internet. We are accessing this over the internet. So the website is updated as per our updated content. So how easily you can see that we have updated our files into our Amazon S3 bucket and created a website hosting for static content. So you can see how easily there is another way of hosting a website over S3 bucket. So I hope this concept of publishing a website over S3 bucket is clear to you, and I hope you have enjoyed the video, and you can create your own S3 bucket and publish these websites, and you can create your own index.html file and error.html file for your also, and upload those files in the S3 bucket, and use that if you go to properties, and in the end you can see the DNS name that has been allocated to this static website hosting. So that was all for this part of video, and I hope it's clarified this concept of hosting a static website over S3 bucket. So in case you like these videos, please like them and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can keep on getting updates about amazing AWS cloud concepts. Thank you for watching. See you in another video. Thank you.